In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image. This is how the scene looks like, and the mesh was created by using 3 honeycomb meshes. There is also a plane that is used as a background mesh. Please use any HDRI image available. I have also adjusted the camera's focal length to give this stretch look. This was the original one, and I have used 3 modifiers to create this mesh. If you don't see the honeycomb mesh in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's see what each modifier does. This second modifier is using the same x-axis with the same twist setting. I created it this way, instead of adding a bigger number by using only one simple deform modifier. I wanted to show you why we need to use at least 2 of the same deform modifiers, in order to create a better looking mesh. By using 2 or more modifiers, we can create a better looking abstract art mesh. The idea is to spend less than a minute, to produce a complex looking mesh that appeared to have taken a long time to make. Lastly, I have applied a solidify modifier. Shift-D to duplicate, and let's rotate the mesh. Please place the camera on the inside, and change its focal length before manually using the fly mode to move the camera. The flying mode can be activated in the camera view, by pressing Shift and backquote keys together. Please use WASD keys to navigate while in the fly mode, and use Q or E to move up or down. When we have the focal length set this low, and move the camera, that will deform the meshes even further by dragging them. I'll show you the materials and the composite node settings next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.